Well, more Copeland Spode Blue Italian saucers, but slightly different again in size, dating from 1953. I'll show you the date impress marks again. 5.75 inch is the diameter of these, so slightly larger than the other ones we have on catalogue. And the saucer well in the centre is 2 inches. So that's your measurements. The quality of these, they're in very fine condition, good glaze reflection as you can see, very little wear in the saucer well, which is where these tend to take most of the wear. Nice period, mid-century Copeland stamp mark and D53 on this particular one for 1953. The other one in the series, exactly the same, nice and clean, good glaze reflection, very minimal wear, and again D53, so probably from the same batch. 5.75 inch, but just do be aware these saucers were made over a period of many decades and altered in size gradually over the time. 5 and 5/8 inches are also available, and 5.5 inch as well. So do measure the diameter of the ones if you are looking to replace a breakage in a complete set to get a precise match. Thanks for watching.